Welcome to the amazing Goodwill Impact Centre. The concept behind the Impact Centre is all about sustainability, about making a positive impact on the environment while providing employment opportunities for Albertans. The main goal is to divert as much as possible from the landfill. We are committed to sustainability and we get a lot of donations. So what we have done, we have created reuse programs, recycle programs, and refurbish programs. In 2017, Goodwill diverted from the landfill more than 12 million kilos. That's huge. In 2018, we diverted more than 13 million kilos from the landfill. That's a huge improvement, and the diversion from the landfill rate went from 78% to 81% in 2018. So in just 1 year, we increased the diversion from the landfill rate in 3%. When you see the positive environmental impact of diverting 13 million kilos, that's just huge. That's the equivalent to remove 1,800 cars from our city, more than 130,000 gigajoules, saving more than 200,000 liters of water.
The clothing, the stuffies, and the cardboard will be used over again for somebody else to make their life happy. So the landfill is not happy when it gets too full.
One of the most important programs is the one regarding cleaning towels. So cotton t-shirts and towels that we don't sell in the other store, it goes to the commercial services team, and they transform towels and t-shirts into cleaning towels that then we sell in our stores, and we sell through a lot of partners we have in the Edmonton region. Thanks to the great experience that we have had in Edmonton with the Impact Centre, now we're looking forward to having an Impact Centre in the city of Calgary. Please keep donating to Goodwill. When you donate to Goodwill, you are impacting the life of a lot of people and you're making a positive impact on the environment.